You've probably seen kinesio tape everywhere, especially if you follow professional sports or the Olympics. We love it here in our office for not only athletes, but also in rehabbing an injury, and helping to prevent injury. So we use a brand called RockTape, and the reason we use them is because we love their adhesive, and they're kind of a fun company to work with. But really, all the kinesio tape on the market is pretty much the same. So here's a little strip of it. You can see it's basically just stretchy tape. We love it, again, because there's no medication or anything in it, but it does really great things for helping control pain and decreasing inflammation and supporting an area through activity. So you can kind of see here on the poster a little bit about how it works. So you can see when we put some tape on the skin, it's going to gently lift to help alleviate pressure on pain receptors and vessels that may be constricted that oftentimes lead to inflammation. So before, with no tape on, you can see everything gets compressed. We put some tape on, it decompresses, and it helps scramble that signal to the brain. That looks a little confusing. To put it simply, if you've ever hit your elbow and it hurts, and what do? We rub it. When we rub it, it gets better. So the pain doesn't actually go away, but what's happening is you're scrambling the signal of those pain receptors to the brain, which is telling the brain, calm down, I'm not hurt, it's okay. A RockTape or kinesio tape does basically the same thing, except instead of you having to stand there and continually rub your elbow, the tape is going to help do that on a more longer process. So how it works is like I said, it's that gentle stretch of the tape that gently lifts the skin to decompress. Cool things about it is it's totally waterproof. So you can shower, swim, soak in a tub, go to the beach, whatever it is you want to do, you can do it with the tape on. Most people, it stays on about 7 to 10 days. Now, part of that depends on the chemistry of your skin and the strength of the adhesive that you choose to use. So RockTape comes in 3 different adhesives. One would be the RX. The RX is great for babies or older people, pregnant bellies, anything where the skin might be a little more sensitive. Their traditional adhesive, which is a great option for most people. And then for those that do a lot of water sports, swimming and diving, they actually make an H2O formula, which is extra sticky. So 3 great options, super easy to apply. This may be part of what we do here in our office with you based on your treatment plan, or it's something that we could show you how to do so that you can utilize it at home. RockTape is convenient, it's easy to use. We sell them in these little retail size boxes. There's about 16 feet of tape in here. If you're taping one area about once a week, this box is going to last you about 2 months. Super economical. These run about $20. Like I said, we love them because they're easy to use, they're pain-free, jug-free, and you could do it from home. So we're going to do a little demo of taping an ankle for a basic ankle sprain. So we have here one strip of tape, about 8 to 10 inches based on the size of her foot here. And you're going to notice we are going to round the edges off. And the reason we do that is so that it doesn't catch on your clothes or your socks or all that good stuff. So nothing too fancy, just to get those edges a little more clean. And the trick when working with the tape is we don't want to touch the sticky side. So the glue is heat activated. So once we touch it with our skin, it's never going to stick again. Okay, so we want to be nice and careful to tear that paper without touching the sticky. Have you raise up a little bit. And then we're going to apply it right onto the front of the foot here. And you can see we just pull that paper off just to get that to stick there. Now the tape is pre-stretched. You don't want to stretch it all the way when putting it on. That will cause some irritation on the skin. We're just going to follow the natural angles of her foot, and we're going to let it all fall. And then, like I said, glue is heat activated, so we're going to rub it in to help it stick, and then she's good to go.
Hi everyone, just want to let you know that for the month of June, all RockTape products are 20% off. We'll also be doing a giveaway that ends June 14th. To enter this giveaway, all you need to do is either share or comment on this video. Nicholas Ribcage is here to help me show you what is in our giveaway. We have rock sauce, RockTape hat, bandana, and RockTape. The RockTape that we're giving away is the standard 2-inch roll with the tie-dye print. We'll be announcing our winner June 14th, so make sure to enter before then.